Hey everybody, I'm Jeff. This is East Texas ADV. How's everybody doing this evening? Hey, today's video, vinyl graphics durability. Oh yeah, I tested it out big time on my last ride. If you know anything about me, you know I drop it a lot. And I will not disappoint this time either. We also have decals again. If you'd like a decal for the channel, go ahead, here's the email address, drop me a quick line, get me that information and I'll shoot one in the mail to you. Before we do the walk around to see how it fared, why don't we check out just how we tested the durability of these plastics out. Oh, sorry about the decals there, Joe. Hit a tree. Way to break them in. Durability test for the decals. Oh. So, how well did it fare to the durability test? There are a few spots like this right here from my boot. Got a few little scuffs on the UV protectant and this decal itself. There's scuffs I was talking about from my boot. Maybe a tree, maybe a rock. I don't know. Fender looks good. Upper parts look good again. And here again on the lower, from my boots rubbing against the protectant and the decal, it rubbed a little bit. That's going to be easy to fix. I'll just round off the decal right about where the damaged area is. Be good as new. I don't see anything on the upper plastics really at all. And now that it's clean, it's really easy to see this stuff. Here's another rub. Now, this next one is the first tree I hit. You remember that one? So all in all, pretty damn durable. I just want to say, as always, thanks for watching and hit that subscribe and that bell for future notifications.